So this is the 5004 VT with an AX setup, how to put it on a stand or a Bollard. When you receive it, you have a key and a lock to open all three locks, and then make sure that it's in the off position with the switch. To put it on the Bollard with the provided 24-volt VC power supply, plug it with the line to the line like this, and then place it on the stand with the 4 screws going through the hole in the box. Then with the provided lock washer and nuts, you tie it to the base. That needs a 10 millimeter nut driver. Tie it. Next step, the provided chain goes to this screw with an M3 nut on it. That holds the door in this maximum open position. Then you get the dispensers, card dispensers, from right to left. So number 4 goes with the number 4 plug. Number down, you plug it in. Then with a screwdriver, you tie the dispenser to the shelf. Then you repeat with the other 3 dispensers. Plug, tie down the screw, dispenser, slide, plug, tie it down with the screw, 4th dispenser, slide, plug, screw down with the screw. Now you could turn on the machine with the on and off switch button. To close it, this is the security lock, this is the waterproof lock. Turn it to the right. Now we will show how to put a 5004 VT on a Bollard. So when you receive it, it comes with the power supply. That needs to be plugged into 110, and then the other half goes down the tube. Bollard cover, Bollard. The Bollard has the power coming out. Same way you plug it line to line plug. Make sure that the machine is off. The Bollard cover obviously have to be on the Bollard before you put the machine on it, but just for the video's sake, we're showing that the power is in there and the power cord comes out on the top to plug it into the machine. Now we're gonna show you how to connect the machine to the Bollard. Before you put the dispensers in, this one already has it in, there's two big holes on the middle of the machine where these screws go to the corresponding holes with the nuts already in the Bollard. And with the 5/16 driver, you could drive this screw into the nut in there, like so. And then you use the chain again to hold up the shaft. Then you put the dispensers like we did on the other machine. So this is the 5004 VT with the NAX on a console stand, and this is the 5004 VT with the NAX on a Bollard.
This concludes our video. Thank you.